Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Letabo. I'm a content creator based here in Pretoria. So basically my content will be about cooking. We're going to be experimenting and trying out new dishes from different aspects of cooking, and of course keep it within the budget, so we don't want to overspend, we keep it less expensive. So in this channel we're going to do both savory dishes and sweet dishes. So the reason why I started this channel is because I love cooking, so I wanted to share my passion with you guys and of course learn some new techniques from you. So yeah, so guys, today I'm gonna be making Oreo cupcakes. Well, we're gonna make it quick and short just to introduce you what this channel will be about. So the Oreo cupcake will include only 4 ingredients. Well, the other one is optional. You can choose not to use it. It's absolutely your choice. So yeah, let's do it. So guys, we got our Oreos, a half cup of milk, rolling pin, got a zipsil bag, 2 of them, and we got the baking cup and baking powder. So we're gonna start with the original Oreos. We're gonna take a zipsil bag, put the Oreos inside. I used 8 Oreos. You can use as much as you want. Yeah, so we're gonna seal the bag and start crushing. Oh, and before start crushing, you need to align them not perfectly, but then just to make it easier for you to crush them properly. So I'm gonna take a rolling pin and press it down firmly and crush it. Crush. Yeah. Okay, so after crushing it, we're gonna put the Oreo crumbs inside the bowl or whatever that you're using. You can use it, and yeah, and make sure that you get all in. You don't want to waste money, remember, you don't want to waste money, so you're gonna make sure that you put it all in. And next up, we're gonna do the same with the golden Oreos. So we got 2 Oreos, set aside 1. We're going to work with the original Oreos. Pour a half cup of milk in it and mix. You can use a whisker if you have it. So yeah, mix. And now you're going to take your baking powder, pour a quarter of baking powder in your mixture and mix. I don't know why I was doing it so much, but then yeah, we move. Make sure you mix it properly so that the baking powder sets in properly. So now we're gonna pour mixture in a baking cup. Don't pour it too much because it will rise. Maybe just pour it half a baking cup or however you want it, but it will rise. I mean, that's the function of a baking powder. And now you're gonna take your Oreo cookie, cut it in half, and design it however you want. Yeah, so now we're gonna take it to the microwave for 1 minute. So after 1 minute, we take it out, and yeah, be careful, it's hot. So as you can see, it's perfectly baked. Yeah, so we're gonna take it out of the baking cup. We used mini because we wanted to balance it so that it doesn't make a mess. So yeah. So now we're gonna do the same with the golden Oreos. This is the final result. As you can see, I topped up with the whipping cream. You can choose to use it or not to use it. Like I said, it's optional, so yeah. So guys, now that we're done with the Oreo cupcake, this is the end of the video. So if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, drop a comment down below and show some love. Yeah, welcome to the family.